Kakasi Student Union KSU North Khasi Hills District Tangmar yo jingtip halor ga jingwan tregi brew nabar jela hapo College of Agriculture Kyrdemkulai marmar galal ikindu yo din kate ga jaka pule ban pulong ro yo ga jing get ke babnya katkum ki he noilam ka seng ki samla pule KSU kileitu baga jile ikindu yo din tangmar yo jingtip ya kate ga jingwan tregi lalap bah reungut kinong tre na ka Central Agriculture University la ne ka CAU Nadu Impal kilawan Mantrai hapo jong ate College of Agriculture Kyrdemkulai. Kinoyalam ka KSU limba ka Education Cell kila pelong ya ka jingkendu yo din u Professor Dwi Pendra Thakuria. Boleh itu bagi kita ginong trai bawan na Impal kide gijak benriu Kuki bat ka jingwan trai jungki kalong bakim sengan bandan Hamanipur nama ka jinglong jingman hakade jaka balaha ban kelria no eki Shipor bantrai hapo jong kate University Kyrdemkulai. Habakran segelak pathai khobor usamla banjab maring Education Secretary ke KSU North Khasi Hills District ulai thu bahadin melayo bania kran bat udin layo jingtip ba ka jingwan jong kini ginong trai na CAU bantrai hakare college kolong tang kumbalai bunai bat hadin kata kesle phaino sapo la ka jong ka jela jong ki Utai noilam ke KSU lapan kan mauru baga jinglai kam hakani ke college ka ba lapelai nadu uslam aja hak kendai ka ba omsim pat lakhot yak interview hari menta kalau dong penban kajing atatin baga jing septing bayo kini ki post kin jak lab tang namar kini ki breguan na sabar ke jong jela.
Morning. So I am Dipendra Thakuria, Dean of this college, College of Agriculture Kyrdemkulai. It is under one of the constituent college of Central Agriculture University, and which headquarter is at Imphal. So, and these gentlemen, they are coming, they are representing that Khasi Student Union, KSU. So they actually visited the office of the Dean of this college with a particular concern, and concern is that they wants to know that some people belong to a particular community, that Manipuri community, they came on transfer and settle in this college. That is their complaint, whether they are permanently come over here or are they going to stay. Such kind of some confusions are there, and they came, and then I would like to clarify all the matters. Already I have clarified to them that the clarification is that the ongoing conflict what is going on in Manipur, that our Central Agriculture University located in the main Imphal Valley. So some the people employee of Central Agriculture University, they belong to Kuki community. So there is some kind of life-threatening fears or such kind of fear is arises because of the riot. So as a temporary stopgap arrangement, so as we are also the constituent college of the university, so they have been transferred for a period of 3 months only. And once that situation in Imphal will be normalized, these people will again go back, and already I have shown their transfer order also. Here it is clearly mentioned that this is a temporary arrangement for a period of 3 months, and even pay everything will be drawn from their original post. That means it is from the Imphal college only. They will be drawing their salaries. So nothing to worry about the vacant position what is available in this College of Agriculture. These are still intact, and our authority is trying their level best to bring all the necessary advertisement, whatever vacant positions are there. Means mostly vacant positions, we are talking about non-teaching part, not the teaching part. Non-teaching part, whatever vacancy position, definitely university will take care, and advertisement they are trying their level best to bring as early as possible. And then with these words, I like to clarify all the doubts, and this arrangement is purely temporary and nothing to worry about the blockage of position or something. Mentakasi nagaliang jongka Khasi Student Union North Khasi District unit nila lembah jongka division cell nila awan hangne rengkat bagi nongelam jongka district nadu Vice President jungi bat kue kino ilama district Yawan ban mi ban kendu ya ki yaudin jong keneka College of Agriculture. Mengiwan kendu hang ni golong ba habang yo I bat ngiliyo jingtip ba kidon hadu kumba ndriu nyongut kita ki nongtrei jong ka CEU na te na po Impal na po Manipur ki wan kilayo ya kata transfer order banwan shane ne banwan tre hapo kaneka jaka hang ni te ngi ne lan jong ka seng hadin bangilio jingtip ya kani ngilawan ban kendu ya udin bapet ya kaneka jaka pulih hang ni bat hadin bangilio kendu badi keren badu kolong ba ula pensyai sengi ba kini kade betik tang na ka benta ka temporary order ane ka ba Shipor te badu la ya keren syai ru badu golong ba hadin bakut ya kini lai benai extension ndai ban phak biang ki balik phai sapo ka jaka ka ba ki ju trei na kaliang ji keseng ni la ya keren badu bat kai golong ba kini ki bawan na ente na po Manipur kide ban ngidei ban tip kanungut kiwan bat kanu bat ki khun ki kti la ne kiwan tang ki nong trei ne kat kum ka ba bat ki kiwan tang kum ki nong trei la ne bat ki khun ki kti ndai kat kum ka ba ngiyo ban ya keren badu kolong ba kidon ki bawan tang kumu nong trei wan simen bat don ru ki bawan bat ka family tingile keren badu ba udei ru ban pentip syaka sarkar jela ya kene kejingdon jong kini ki bawan thamai ba phat nang tin po Manipur bat ki bawan sini bat nagliang jing keseng kai ka ba kta susu bangi septing galong ba HOR hajar kendai ngai thu ipi ki don hadu pratli ki pos ki bala advertise saktu kupor bala khot yang ne jing tungkam kidon du pratli ki pos bat hadu menta ki klem le ya kanu nuk interview ni septing galong ba yo kini ki breu ki ba nakte na po ga jela Manipur nda kilawan hang ni nama kitip baga jela miklia kadi ba syong suk syong san pabe kalong ba ngiting yo kini ki pus kin ja no kin tap da ta ki bre ki bawan nakte na po ka jela Manipur tingil ekran badu badula pensisyaru ba ya kini ki bawan menta nangte sini hadin tang bekut ya kini kalai bnai ki hab ban lek phai no bat ya kini ki pus ki ba lakhot HOR hajar khat kendai un sakhot no hapo kini ar benai lai benai ki tang tahi nelang ji keseng kejingya keren jungi badu